How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to improve your posture, the best exercises. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So I've helped a lot of people improve their posture. A lot of my family, friends, they have had terrible posture, again, from sitting at computers. Some of them do have jobs where, again, they're at the computer all day, looking at your cell phone. You're constantly looking down. This is going to make your shoulders round. It's going to put your back in a bad position, and you're going to have very bad posture. So I have helped people improve their posture. It's really not too difficult if you follow a couple of different exercises. If you know how to improve the posture. The thing with the posture is what happens is people normally have a neutral spine or a very straight, your back isn't actually straight, with the spine is kind of curved, but we still say neutral. Anyways, what happens is people's shoulders, they start to round over, and that's where you get the hunched over back. But what will happen is most people, they start off with good shoulders, and then as they keep on the computer looking at their phone, their shoulders will naturally round. Everyone has different types of degree of roundness, how much it's rounded forward. Again, I've helped so many people now. I can look at them, I can be like, okay, you have a little bit bad posture. This person, ooh, really bad posture. What you need to do is really comes down to the exercises you need to do are for your shoulders and for your back. So the first thing that you can do instantly, imagine I was rounded over, and again, I have pretty good posture. So imagine you're rounded over like this. The first exercise I would recommend to do is practice raising your chest. So just watch what happens to my shoulders when I raise my chest. When I raise my chest completely up, my shoulders go from here back, and that is a perfect posture position. We want to have our shoulders back. We want to have our upper back tight. So again, this is a perfect posture position. You can literally see, look how good my posture is. That's good posture. And this is one of the exercises I get my friends, families, and the people that I'm helping out. This is the first exercise I get them to do because it's very easy. Anyone can do it. You literally just raise your chest. This naturally rolls your shoulders back and it makes you contract your back. When you do this, you're contracting your back at the top. The next exercise that's really, really, really good to do is you can get a towel. I really recommend a resistant band. You don't even need anything if you don't want to. You get your hands like this, and all you do is you pull them apart, and right here you squeeze your upper back. So again, it's good to have a resistance band. You can use a towel. You don't need anything though. You can literally just do this and then squeeze your upper back at that spot right there. And these are two really, really good exercises that will help you improve your posture. What you want to do, doesn't matter how many exercises or how many reps you can do right at the start. Do say 20 reps for each exercise, maybe do a couple of sets. And then what you want to do is over time, increase those numbers. So one day do 20 reps, then 21, 22, 23, 24. And you're going to notice your shoulders, your back, it's going to start getting more conditioned. And when you start to sit, instead of sitting like this, your body's naturally just going to sit like this. You're going to be in a good posture position just from doing those exercises. So that's what I recommend. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.